What is the most popular dog breed in the United States? A. Labrador Retriever. Which dog breed is known for its wrinkled skin and loose jowls? B. Bulldog. What is the smallest dog breed in the world? C. Chihuahua. Which dog breed is known for its fluffy coat and mane around the neck? C. Chow Chow. Which dog breed is often used as a therapy dog due to its gentle and friendly nature? B. Golden Retriever. What is the national dog of Japan? A. Akita Inu. Which dog breed is known for its distinctive blue-black tongue? B. Shar Pei. Which dog breed was famously owned by Queen Elizabeth II? A. Corgi. Which dog breed is often used as a police or military working dog? C. Belgian Malinois. Which of the following is not a recognized dog breed by the American Kennel Club? C. Cockapoo.